Good morning. Our lesson today is about rounding to the nearest 100. Okay. How to add 120 and 370 using the different strategies. We studied two strategies of estimation. First, front-end strategy. Second, rounding strategy. Firstly, I will do the addition operation with front-end strategy. As we said before, this strategy depends on the highest place value. So, look at the first digit of the number from the left side. Here I have ones, tens, hundreds. So, the highest place value is 100. Circle around 1 in 100. And here I have ones, tens, hundreds. So, circle around the highest place value, hundreds. So, 120 is estimated to 100. 120 is estimated to 100. 370 is estimated to 300. Depending on the highest place value. 1 in 100. 3 in hundreds. Okay, so the estimated sum is 100 plus 300 equals 400 with first front end strategy. And now I will do my addition operation with the second strategy, rounding strategy. But here I have ones, tens, hundreds. So I will round this number to the nearest 100. Okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. Circle around or underline the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. Yes, tens place. Here we have 2. As we said before, the numbers which have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 would round down. 4 digits. Okay. And the numbers which have 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9 would round up. Yes, rich digits. Okay. Underline the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds in tens place. We have 2. 2 is poor. So 120 round down to 100. 120 rounds down to 100. And here I have 370. Underline the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. Yes, tens place. We have 7. 7 is rich. So 370 rounds up to 400. And now I will do my addition operation. 100 plus 400 equals to 500. So the estimated sum from the rounding strategy is 500 and the estimated sum from front-end strategy is 400, but the two estimated sum are different from the actual sum. If I want to do my addition operation, 0 plus 0 equals 0, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. 0 plus 0 equals 0, then tens with tens. 2 plus 7, 7 in my mind, 2 on my fingers. After 7, 8, 9, yes, 9. Then hundreds with hundreds. 3 plus 1, after 3, 4. This is the actual sum. The actual sum, the estimated sum from front-end strategy, the estimated sum from rounding strategy. The two estimated sums are different from the actual sum. Actual sum is 120 plus 370 is 490. So rounding strategy is more close to the actual sum. This estimated sum is more closer or nearer to the actual sum. Okay, and now turn the page. Open page 61, okay? Each exercise, I will solve it by two ways. With front-end estimation strategy and rounding estimation strategy. Firstly, front-end estimation depends on the highest place value, as we said before. So I have ones, tens, and hundreds. And here I have also ones, tens, and hundreds. So the highest place value is hundreds. Circle around hundreds here and circle around hundreds here. 327 is estimated to 300. And 289 is estimated to 200. And now do my addition operation. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. As we said before, in plus and minus we start from ones. Ones with ones. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Then 0 plus 0 equals 0. Then 3 plus 2 after 3, 4, 5. So my estimated sum from front-end estimation strategy is 500. And now I will solve the addition operation with rounding estimation strategy. Okay? Rounding to the nearest hundred. Ones, tens, hundreds. Circle around hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 2 and tens. 2 is poor. So 327 rounds down to 300. Ones, tens, hundreds. Rounding to the nearest hundred. So circle around the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 8 and tens. 8 is rich. So 289 rounds up to 300. And now I will do my addition operation. Ones, tens, hundreds, then ones, tens, hundreds. I will start with ones. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. And 3 plus 3, after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the estimated sum from the rounding estimation strategy is 600. And now I will solve subtraction operation by the two strategies, front-end estimation strategy, then rounding estimation strategy. Firstly, I will solve with front-end estimation, which depends on the highest place value. Here I have ones, tens, hundreds. So my highest place value is 3 in hundreds. And here I have ones, tens, hundreds. So my highest place value is 1 in hundreds. So 348 is estimated to 300. Yes. 150 is estimated to 100. And now do my subtraction operation. Ones, tens, hundreds, and ones, tens, hundreds. In plus and minus we start from ones. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Then tens with tens. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Then hundreds with hundreds. 3 minus 2 equals, after 1, 2, 3. 200. And now I will solve the subtraction operation with rounding estimation operation. Okay. Round to the nearest hundred. So circle around the hundred. Look at the digit before 100. Tens place. 4 is poor. So 348 rounds down to 300. 150. Circle around the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 5 and tens. 5 is rich. Yes. So 150 rounds up to 200. And now do my subtraction operation. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 2, 0. Then 3 minus 2, after 2, 3. Excellent. 100. Okay. Complete the page as a homework in the same sequence. And now open page 62. Okay. 632 plus 290. I will solve this addition operation with front-end estimation strategy, then with rounding estimation strategy. And now firstly, for a front-end estimation strategy, which depends on the highest place value. Once tens hundreds, the highest place value is hundreds. Once tens hundreds, the highest place value is hundreds. So 632 is estimated to 600. 290 is estimated to 200. 600 plus 200, 600, after 600, 700, 800. Counting by 100. Okay, and now I will solve with the second strategy, rounding estimation. Okay, round to the nearest 100. Circle around the 100. Look at the digit before 100, 3 and tens. 3 is poor. So 632 rounds down to 600. And 290, circle around 100. Look at the digit before 100, 9 and tens. 9 is rich, excellent. So 290 rounds up to 300. And now 600 plus 300 by counting by 100. After 600, 700, 800, 900. And if you want to make sure 0 plus 0 equals 0, and 0 and tens plus 0 and tens equals 0, and 3 plus 6, after 3, after 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. And now 299 minus 103. Firstly, front end estimation. Okay. Look at the highest place value. 2 in hundreds. Here 1 in hundreds. So 299 is estimated to 200. 103 is estimated to 100. And now I will do my subtraction operation. Start from units. 0 minus 0 equals 0, and 0 minus 0 equals 0. Then 2 minus 1, after 1, 2, 1. And now I will solve with the second strategy, rounding estimation. Round to the nearest 100. Circle around 100. Look at the digit before 100. 9 in tens is rich. So 299 rounds up to 300. Circle around 1 in 100. Look at the digit in tens. 0 is poor. 103 rounds down to 100. 300 minus 100, 0 minus 0 equals 0, 0 minus 0 equals 2, 0, then 3 minus 1, after 1, 2, 3 equals 2. Complete the page as a homework. Open page 63. Use a rounding strategy to add or subtract in the same sequence. Okay. First, 656 plus 362, rounding to the nearest 100. Circle around the digit in 100. Look at the digit before hundreds, 5 in tens. 5 is rich. So 656 rounds up to 700. And here I have 3 in hundreds. Circle around the digit in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 6 in tens. 6 is rich. So 362 rounds up to 400. And now I will do my addition operation. Ones, tens, hundreds. 0 plus 0 equals 2, 0. 0 plus 0 equals 2, 0. 7 plus 4. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So write 11 because the last digit. Okay? 176 minus 234. Okay? Round 776 to the nearest 100. Circle around 7 in hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds, 7 in tens. 7 is rich. So 776 rounds up to 800. Okay, circle around hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Then look at the digit before hundreds, 3 and tens. 3 is poor. So 234 rounds down to 200. And now I will do my subtraction operation. Ones, tens, hundreds. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 8 minus 2. I will count from 2 to reach 8. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 600. Okay. And this exercise is horizontal. As we said before, round this number to the nearest 10. Circle around 10. Ones, tens. Look at the digit before tens. 8 and ones. 8 is rich. So 68 rounds up to 70. Then round 54 to the nearest tens. Circle around the digit in tens. 5. Look at the digit before tens. 4 and ones. 4 is poor. So 54 rounds down to 50. Then do the addition operation. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 5. Put 7 in my mind. 5 on my fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. 120. And here, in the same sequence, round this number to the nearest 10. Ones, tens. Circle around the tens. Look at the digit before tens. 6. 6 is rich. So 56 rounds up to 60. Here I have ones, tens. Circle around tens. Look at the digit before tens. 3 and ones. 3 is poor. So 43 rounds down to 40. And now do the addition operation. 60 plus 40. Start from ones. 0 plus 0 equals 0. I have 0 and ones, 4 and tens. 0 and ones, 6 and tens. 0 plus 0 equals 0. Then 6 plus 4. Put 6 in my mind, 4 on my fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. 100. Complete the page as a homework. Okay. Page 64 is homework. Now open page 65. Number 3. Exercise number 3. Estimate, then write the actual sum or difference. Here I have 345 plus 254. I will solve this addition operation with front end estimation, then with rounding estimation. Okay, now firstly, front end estimation, which depends on the highest place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, the highest place value hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds, the highest place value is hundreds. 345 is estimated to 300. 254 is estimated to 200. And now I will do my addition operation. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 2. After 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now I will solve this operation with rounding estimation strategy. Estimate to the nearest 100. Circle around the 100. Look at the digit before hundreds. 4 and tens. 4 is poor. So 345 rounds down to 300. Circle around hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 5 and tens. 5 is rich. So 254 rounds up to 300. And now do my addition operation. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 plus 0 equals 0. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And now I will do my operation and write the actual value. Okay. Here I have ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 5 plus 4. Put 5 in my mind, 4 on my fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. write 9 under units. Then tens with tens. 4 plus 5, again 9. Lastly, hundreds with hundreds. 3 plus 2. After 3, 4, 5. So, my actual sum is 599. And now, I will round this number to the nearest hundred. So, circle around the hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 9 in tens. 9 is rich. So, 599 rounds up to 600. So, my actual number is 599, as we said. And when I round this number to the nearest hundred, the estimation or the sum, the estimated sum is 600. Okay? $725 minus 403. Okay. Firstly, I will solve the subtraction operation with front-end estimation strategy. Then I will solve it with rounding estimation strategy. Okay. Front-end estimation depends on the highest place value. Here I have ones, tens, hundreds. So the highest place value is hundreds. 7 in hundreds. So 725 is estimated to 700. And here I have ones, tens, hundreds. The highest place value is 4 in hundreds. So 403 is estimated to 400. And now I will do the subtraction operation. Ones, tens, hundreds, ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. Then 7 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 300. And now I will solve with rounding estimation strategy. Round this number to the nearest hundred. So circle around the hundreds. Look at the digit before hundreds. 2 in tens. 2 is poor. So 725 rounds down to 700. Ones, tens, hundreds. Circle around hundreds. And look at the digit before hundreds. 0 and tens. 0 is poor. So 403 rounds down to 400. And now I will do my subtraction operation. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Start from ones. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. Then 7 minus 4 equals 300. And now I will do the subtraction operation to write the actual result. Ones, tens, hundreds. In plus and minus we start from ones. 5 minus 3. I will count from the smallest digit to reach the greatest digit. After 3, 4, 5, 2. Then tens with tens. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 7 minus 4. I will count from 4 to reach 7. After 4, 5, 6, 7. 322. This actual result, 322. If I round this number to the nearest hundred, circle around the hundred. Look at the digit before hundreds. 2 and tens is poor, so 322 rounds down to 300. Okay, turn the page. Page 66 is homework. Thank you, goodbye.